Hi, in this video I will tell you how to make a reflection for text in Adobe Illustrator. It is very simple. First cover our artboard by rectangle. Give it a dark color background. After this go to type tool, write anything you want to reflect. Here I am writing reflection. Give it a white color. First I will capitalize it. Aligning text to the center of the artboard. Now select text. Go to layers panel. Here click on this icon. Now give it white color. Now click FX here. Go to distort and transform. Click transform. Select reflect Y. Now increase the pixel here in vertical bar. So there is a gap between reflected text and original text. Click OK. Now click this box again. We will give the gradient color to the reflected text. Decrease the opacity of the reflected text as much as you want. Let me fix the gap between the text here. Just increase the pixel here in the vertical bar. Now go to gradient tool. Stretch it from bottom to above. So this is how you make a reflection of text in Adobe Illustrator. You can change the background color as well. Thank you for watching.